Welcome. These morning meditations are created with the intention of starting our day with fresh eyes, calm mind, and bright and curious spirit. My name is Dafna, and it's my pleasure to guide you in this explorative journey. So let's begin. Find a comfortable position where you are either seated or, if you prefer, laying down, giving yourself this short window of time to tune inwards so that you can shape this day as you desire, moving through the day with calm mind and creating a fluid experience that is joyful to your heart. As you let your eyes close and your awareness rests on your breath, connecting with your heartbeat and the rhythm of your breath, knowing that within a short while you will start your day with a sense of aliveness and curiosity. But for now, let yourself be, breathing in a flowing river of calm relaxation and breathing out any tension that may be present in the body. Welcoming the day with the in-breath, welcoming lightness, flow, and ease, and with the out-breath, releasing any concerns, any tendency to, and if you have any tendency to have thoughts that drain you, just let those go. And as you breathe in and out, welcoming all that is life expanding with the in-breath, and breathing out and releasing anything that is out of harmony. As you are about to begin a new day, let yourself be empty of ideas of what may be. Let yourself be curious, be open to the infinite possibilities. Be receptive to align yourself with the flow of life that is highest and best for you, moving through your day with ease, with grace, and allowing yourself to be surprised in a positive way. Allowing yourself to be curious at how well this day unfolds in all the ways that are best and joyful to your heart. You are moving through the day with calm mind, relinquishing any tendencies to think of negative outcomes, and simply deciding that all is well, all is flowing in the best possible way in the day. And you are welcoming all that is life-enhancing to you, in your interactions, in your thoughts, in your feelings. You are ready to embrace a new day that is completely fresh. This day was never here before, and so you really have a fresh slate to paint your new day, just to your liking, as you are a powerful creator. And the way your mind works is that when you are open and welcoming ease and flow, life tends to unfold in the flow and in grace. Whatever we are most focused on is really what we are calling into our lives and our experiences. Where our life force flow is where life grows for us. We are like magnets. Whatever is most on your mind, whatever thoughts you tend to engage the most, that's what you give energy. That's what you fuel. And it reflects in the experience you draw into your life. And when you are grounded in your heart and move about your day with calm awareness, with the openness to receive miracles, to be surprised in a positive way, Your creative mind is wide open. That is simply in part because of how we are wired. The more we are grateful, the more we live in the wisdom of the heart, the greater connection we feel with life. And so you are simply choosing to have a blessed day, to allow life to flow in the best way, to shape all that is in resonance for you, while you remain grounded in a calm river within you. You see, even if challenges may arise during the day, you still, by your free will, can remain calm because you choose to. Since worry is in reality futile and it drains your energy, you decide to resist that urge. As you know that a still mind is a powerful mind, you are able to tune into creative thinking when the mind remains stable. And as you flow in this way through your day, you attract similar vibe into your experience. Again, it's like magnets. You attract what you emit. As you move about your day with awareness and grounded heart, as well as curious, open mind that welcomes all that feels pleasurable in your life. And as you practice living in this way, it becomes a strong habit that you embody, just like a muscle that you train. Your mind is calm and you observe the unfolding of the world, at the same time maintaining an inner fortitude and a flow of grace, choosing where to direct your life force, even if at times challenges arise. You still understand that worry is a waste of your energy, as it is never beneficial, and you smile to yourself as you become aware of how life reflects to you exactly the experience you are calling into your life. By using your creative life force to direct the flow of life, shaping an experience that is filled with everything that brings you joy, using the power of your mind to create all that your heart desires, and knowing that the more you move through life in this way, the more this habit becomes how you choose to live. And it's not to say we don't have moments where we may move away from that calm river. Yet once we notice we are out of balance, we simply gently choose to pivot back and return to our center, back to our heart, coming back to the inner anchor and the calm awareness, observing the tides of life and knowing that whatever may be, we can remain peaceful, and in this way harness the power we possess in moving through our day with ease and grace. And before we will end this short meditation, also allow an infusion of vitality to come into your body, a lightness remaining in your heart, and simply allowing yourself to have an intention in your heart center to have a blessed day, a day that you paint in the likeness of your heart. So I will count from 1 to 3, and when I reach the last number, you will be awake and ready to begin this glorious day. At 1, feeling lightness in your heart, feeling vitality in the body, feeling curious about the day ahead, knowing you can paint it just as you like. At 2, feeling vitality, resilience in your body, beginning to sense more and more your feet, your arms, remaining in the flow of your heart as the guiding light in your day, and knowing that its wisdom always guides you in the highest and best way. And at 3, ready to create a bright new day, feeling energized and bright, feeling curious, and feeling lightness of heart, mind, and spirit. Enjoy the dance of this day.